Today we will learn contouring. Objective: to draw a contour map. Methodology: square or grid system. Instruments: 1. Lever. 2. Leveling staff. 3. Arrows. 4. Tape. Definitions: A. Contours. Contours are imaginary lines joining points of equal latitude upon the Earth's surface with reference to a fixed datum. B. Contouring. The process by which a contour map is prepared is known as contouring. C. Contour map or topographic map. The map showing the attitude of all these points is called contour map or topographic map. D. Contour interval. The difference in elevation between successive contour lines. E. Contour spacing. The horizontal gap between successive contour lines. Procedure: A. Select any suitable place for setting up the instrument. Place the instrument and try to adjust it. Adjustment procedure should be consist of the following: 1. Setting up the level. 2. Leveling up. 3. Elimination of parallax. B. Mark an area of 100 square meter, that is length 10 meter and width 10 meter. C. Take staff reading at every station at an interval of 2.5 meter. Example: 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter grid. The grid points are determined using tape and marked using arrows. D. Take the elevation of top left corner as 7 meter A1, which may be considered as benchmark. Figure 9.1 shows you typical contour diagram. Significance: contouring helps in studying the general character of the tract of the country without visiting the ground. With the knowledge of characteristics of contour, it is easy to visualize whether country is flat, undulating or mountainous. Contouring can assist in deciding the sites for engineering works such as reservoirs, canals, roads and railways etc. On the basis of the economy, contouring is used to determine the catchment area of the drainage basin and hence the capacity of the proposed reservoir. It is useful in computing the earthwork required for filling or cutting along the linear alignment of the project such as canals, roads, etc. In addition, the height of earth retaining structure, example retaining walls, can be easily estimated. Contouring is also used to find out the intervisibility of the points and to trace out a contour gradient for road alignments. Besides, we can draw longitudinal and cross sections to ascertain nature of the ground. Through this field work, students will learn about procedure of collecting data for contour maps using level and tape. Students will also learn about the procedure to draw contour maps.